Hi, welcome to Offisky. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual office with Offisky. It is exceptionally useful if you have a business that doesn't have a physical operating location and want your customer to call and feel just like a normal office. Your business will have the auto attendance you want, and whenever your customer calls to an extension, it will forward to you or your coworkers' mobile phones, which is completely transparent from your customers. Now, let me show you how it works. The ELN phone is the external phone we use to call into the company, and the cell phone is extension 101 and 102. Let's start by testing the company phone number. You are now in the auto attendant's greeting message.
Thank you for calling Betty Consultant. If you know the extension number you wish to reach,
Now, dialing the extension 102.
This call may be recorded or monitored for quality control, education, or training purposes.
You can see extension 102 is now ringing.
Hello.
Let's do it again and test out the options in the auto attendant.
Thank you for calling Betty Consultant. If you know the extension number you wish to reach, please dial
This time, I'm going to test option 1 for sales, which should lead to extension 101.
This call may be recorded or monitored for quality control, education, or training purposes.
You can see extension 101 is now ringing.
Hello.
Test again.
Thank you for calling Betty Consultant. If you know the extension number you wish to reach, please dial it at any time during this message. Press 0 for operator, press 1 for sales, or press 2 for billing. Thank you.
And press 0 for the operator.
This call may be recorded or monitored for quality control, education, or training purposes.
You can see both extension 101 and 102 is now ringing. When one cell phone has picked up, the second one will automatically hang up.
Hello.
So let's get started. First, launch your favorite web browser. Then go to mydesk.offisky.com. Sign in to your Offisky master account. If you do not have an account, create a new one now. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have enough credit in your account. So go to User menu and select Manage Billing Related Operation for this account. You are now in the billing dashboard, and you can see the available credit remaining here. If it doesn't have enough credit, you can buy your credit now. For more information, please refer to How Offisky Billing Works video in our channel. You will also see Offisky promotions currently available to your account. Now, back to set up our new virtual office. To set up the virtual office in Offisky, you need to perform the following 7 steps. First, initialize your phone system account. Set up voicemail accounts. Set up internal extensions. Set up auto attendant. Create the office phone number and connect to your auto attendant. Check your calling plan minute rate. Update the caller ID behavior. Now, go to User menu and select Phone System Configuration. For the first time, you will see the initialize screen. Click on the button to continue. Make sure the information is correct for the phone system default settings. Make sure you have provided the correct country prefix. For example, 1 is North America country code. Continue to finish up the wizard. Now, go to PBX base drop-down menu and select voicemail account. Create 2 new voicemail accounts. Update the voicemail account settings. Make sure you have provided an understandable name for easy identify this account. Change the voicemail mode to Save Incoming Voicemail and Email Extension Owner, which will provide you with voicemail to email capability. Provide a number-only password when access this voicemail by phone. Provide an email message to help you identify this is not a spam. Now save the settings. For the next voicemail account, we're going to do the same thing. Now, both voicemail account is now ready. We'll move on to set up internal extension number. Go to PBX base drop-down menu and select number management. Create a new internal extension number. Select Create an internal extension number. Provide the new extension number, then click on Create. For the second extension number, now both extension number is now ready. Update their settings. Because this is an user extension, so change to user extension mode. Provide the extension owner information. Make sure you have provided correct email address for voicemail to email operations. Select the voicemail account you wish to use. For the ringing second, this is used to provide how many seconds you wish to ring before move on to the voicemail. 0 meaning it will ring until the phone timeout. Because some of the cell phone plans also has voicemail setup. So please make sure your ringing seconds here is shorter than the period of your cell phone to enter to your voicemail. Otherwise, all calls will reach to your cell phone voicemail instead of your company voicemail. Finally, put your cell phone number in the Always Forward field. Then save your settings. Same as the second extension number. Now, both extension numbers are now ready to use. The next step we are going to do is create the auto attendant. So go to PBX base and select auto attendance wizard. Follow the wizard to provide your company information, your operating hours, under user select option settings. I will set up 0 for operators and forward the extension to 101 and 102. Option 1 is sales. Will forward to extension 101. Option 2 is billing. Will forward to extension 102. Now, move on to the next steps. I will leave the rest of the settings as default, then click on Next. Now we are in the greeting section. The system has created your greeting message by default. You can use the built-in text-to-voice system to generate your greeting message. I personally like the female voice better, but of course it's up to you. If it doesn't like the auto-generated voice, you can always upload it your own. You can listen to the generated voice by clicking on the listen icon. Feel free to make your changes to make sure the greetings are smooth and sound. Click Finish to create your new auto-attendant. Your new auto-attendant is ready to use and will be saved in your IVR editor for future updates. The next step is to pick up your phone number and connect to your new auto-attendant. So go to PBX Space menu and select Number Management. Now add a new phone number. Select the phone number you wish to order. In this demo, we are going to use Canada local number. Proceed to phone number ordering wizard. Now, select the area of the number you wish to pick. We are going to pick the Toronto, Ontario number. Pick the number you want and finalize the wizard. Proceed to phone number ordering wizard. Your new number is now ready to use. Update the settings. Now, map this number to connect to your new auto-attendant IVR. Click OK to save the settings. Now, I'm going to show you how to see the rate of charge for each call. Go to PBX Space and select Phone Line Settings. You can see the current calling plan for external call is charging by minute. You may use the Chat Minute Charge section to find out how much your inbound and outbound minute charge is. For example, the new company phone number is charging 3 cents per minute inbound, and the charge to connect to one of the extension cell phone is 3 cents per minute outbound. Therefore, the charge of each call which connected to your cell phone will be 6 cents per minute. Minute plan is good for low usage user. Here is how it works. Offisky is operated just like a normal phone system. External phone lines are the connections used to connect to the network outside of Offisky. In the case of virtual office, inbound calls are connected using external phone lines from your customer to your phone system, then redirect the call to your cell phone using another external phone line. Meaning the inbound call charge plus the outbound calling charge to your cell phone will be your minute charge. However, if you doesn't like it, monthly plan is also available by per channel basis. The final step we need to do is to update the caller ID behavior in the general settings. So go to PBX Space, then select General Settings. Make sure the external call display settings is correct. Change the caller ID pass-through mode to enable. Otherwise, you cannot see the original caller ID of the call forwarded to your cell phone. Click Apply to save your settings.
So this is it. If you have any further questions, please talk to us through our support channel. And please remember to subscribe our video and social media channel to receive our new feature updates. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Offisky, communications for everybody.